Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different bicyclic compounds are given. PQR. P is 2 5-member cyclopentadiene attached with alkene, and Q is 5-member and 7-member. R is 3-member and 7-member. You have to arrange those compounds by its dipole moment. You have to find which one has very high dipole moment. The answer lies in the aromaticity. Aromaticity is the most stabilizing factor you should know. For the aromaticity, you should follow the Huckel rule. For the Huckel rule, you should know 4n plus 2 and 4n electron. 4n plus 2 pi electrons are aromatic, 4n pi electrons are anti-aromatic. Here you have 6 pi and 4 pi electron. 4 pi are anti-aromatic, 6 pi are aromatic. Let us analyze PQR. In P, one ring is aromatic, one ring is anti-aromatic. So charge separation will not be there. The R also same condition, one ring is aromatic, another ring is anti-aromatic, so it will not also form. Only choice is Q there. Q is both rings are aromatic, charges will be very stable. So permanent charges creates the dipole, so strong dipole moment for the compound Q. Here the concept you have to learn here is aromaticity stabilize the charges, anti-aromaticity destabilize the charges. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.